Hello students, today we learn some tricks to solve multiplication in few seconds. Okay, if same number is present in the digit in the 10th place, how can I multiply it? First, 85 into 88. Okay, it first is 80 plus 5, 80 plus 8. Tricks. First tricks, the first multiply two digit present in one place. One place number is 8 in 5. First multiply 8 into 5 is 40. Okay, write 40 in this place. Then add the two digit into. Then add the two digit. Second, 8 plus 5 is 13. Then subtract the nearest number. Subtract the nearest. 13 the nearest number 10th. 13 minus 10 is 3. 80 plus 3 is 13. Then subtract the nearest whole number. 13 the nearest whole number is 10. 13 minus 10 is equal to 30. Okay. 3. Okay. Then multiply the result with it. After subtracting, the multiply the result with 3, 8 with 3. देखो 80 into 3 is 240. Trick number 3. Then multiply the 8 with after number. Multiply the 8 with after number. 8 after number 9. 8 into 9 is only 72. Then right answer. 72 multiply is na 240. Jetu nearest number more than nearest number 10 to 13 more than it add is 240 add. 240 add 0, 8, 4, 7. The result is 7480. (63 into 64). First, multiply the two digits present in the ones place. 60 plus 3, 60 plus 4. Okay, then multiply present in ones place. Trick 1. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Then add two digits, 10, 1 plus or 2 number add. Then add 3 plus 4 is 7. Nearest round number minus. Then less than 10 na. Then nearest round number less is 10 minus 7 is 3. Then after subtracting, multiply the result with 60. 60 into 3 is 180. Then take 3. Then 6 and then multiply the 6 after number. 6 after number 7. 6 into 7 is 42. Then right answer. 3 plus 4, 12. So less than 10 is round number 10, 7 to less than 8. Less means minus. Less means minus symbol. So 180. It is 42. 180. 2. 1 carries 30, 11, 11 to 3, it is 41, 41 minus 40. The answer is 4 to 3. Okay. How to find the square of a number having 5 in one place? Okay. Then multiply. Suppose this is 85, 75, 75. Trick. First trick, then multiply one place digit. One place 5 into 5, 25. Second, the multiply 10 place digit with after number. 10 plus 7 is after number 8. 56. The answer are 25, 56, 56. Okay. Hence the answer is 5,625. Then second example. Suppose 45. First multiply 1 plus digit. 1 plus digit 5 into 5, 25. Then 10th plus digit, multiply 10th plus digit with the after number. 10th plus is 4 na. After number 5, 20. 25, 20. Hence the answer is 2025.